Introducing the iPhone 17, the future of smartphones powered by the ultra-fast A19 Bionic Chip. Experience a stunning 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, an always-on display, and the innovative Dynamic Island. Powered by the A19 chip, featuring a 5-core GPU with neural accelerators and hardware-accelerated ray tracing for unmatched performance. Capture every detail with 24-megapixel and 48-megapixel cameras, ultra-wide, dual fusion, and macro shots, plus 4K Dolby Vision video, and switch seamlessly between 0.5x, 1x, and 2x optical zoom for the perfect shot. Enjoy all-day power with up to 30 hours of video playback, battery life that lasts when it matters most. Always stay perfectly in frame with the 18-megapixel center stage front camera, smart selfies, auto zoom, ultra-stable video, and smarter video calls. Apple Intelligence brings AI to your fingertips. Create, write, and communicate smarter than ever. iPhone 17. The future starts here. Thanks for watching. The future starts with iPhone 17, and it's waiting for you. If you loved the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to The Motivator's Mind, where tech meets power.